Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Students, this is our second lecture of General Science from chapter number 1, Introduction and Role of Science. In our previous lecture, we have discussed what is science, its branches, and the contribution done by the Muslim scientists in various fields of science. Today, in our second lecture, we will discuss contribution of Pakistani scientists, impact of science on our society and its limitations. Contribution made by the Pakistani scientist. Here we start our discussion with the renowned Pakistani scientist Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan. He was born on 1st April 1936 at Bhopal in India. He did his early education from Bhopal, and after partition in 1947, his family immigrated from India to Pakistan and settled in Karachi, where he did his BSc from the Karachi University in 1960 in physical metallurgy. He did his MSc from Netherlands, Holland, and awarded PhD from the University of Leuven, Belgium. He also appointed as a research assistant in the same university. He is a Pakistani nuclear physicist, metallurgical engineer, and a columnist. Metallurgical engineer means what? Those who study metals and their properties, including the separation of metals from their ore, and also dealing with the making and compounding of alloys. It is the technology of science of heat treating metals to alter their physical properties. He founded and established Kahuta Research Lab in 1976. He founded program for Pakistan's first atomic bomb project. He is known as the father of first Islamic bomb. He wrote books. His famous books are Seher Hone Tak and Dr. A.Q. Khan on Science and Education. Pakistan nuclear weapon program is a source of extreme national pride. Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan headed Pakistan nuclear program for about 25 years. He is considered as a national hero. Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan was awarded Hilal-e-Imtiaz in 1989, Crescent of Excellence, second highest civilian award and honor given to both civilians and military officers of Pakistan Armed Forces. It recognizes individuals who have made an especially meritorious contribution to the security or national interest of Pakistan, world peace, cultural, or other significant public endeavors. He was awarded Nishan-e-Imtiaz in 1999. This honor is restricted to individuals who have made outstanding contributions in their fields that lead to the international recognition to the state. It is awarded in the field of literature, sports, arts, medicine, or science. This award is announced by the President of Pakistan on 14th August and 23rd March. Students, nation never ever forget Yom Takbir, the day of greatness. 28th May 1998, when Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan, along with the team of 140 scientists, technicians, and engineers, when they left for Chaghi district, Balochistan, the nuclear test performed at Raseko Hills. It was the day of pride for Pakistani nation. On this day, Pakistan acquired the status of first Islamic nuclear power in the world and world's seventh nuclear state. I must add here, Khan was also a key figure in the establishment of several engineering universities in Pakistan. He set up a metallurgical and material science institute at Ghulam Isa Khan Institute of Science and Technology. Another institute, Dr. A.Q. Khan Institute of Biotechnology and Genetic Engineering, also established at Karachi University. He also been This institute is also being named in his honor. Khan played a vital role in bringing metallurgical engineering courses to various universities of Pakistan. It was the work of Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan which has made Pakistan's defense very strong. Another national hero, Dr. Abdus Salam. He was born on 29th January 1926 in Jhang, British India. For his outstanding performance in his studies, he was awarded a scholarship for advanced studies in UK. He played influential and significant role in Pakistan's development in nuclear energy for peaceful purposes. He was first Pakistani scientist who won Nobel Prize. Dr. Abdus Salam has done tremendous work on grand unification theory and achieved Nobel Prize in 1979. Nobel Prize, an honor which is given in the field of literature, peace, chemistry, physics, medicine, or physiology. It was first started in 1901. It was the honor which has been received by Dr. Abdus Salam as a first Pakistani scientist. What is grand unification theory? It is a theory that tries to describe the universe. It was formed by the combination of three forces: electromagnetic, weak, and strong forces. These are the three of the fundamental four forces of nature, which are responsible for all of the pushes and pulls in universe. If gravity is also combined with these forces, then the GUT will become the proposed theory of everything. Now we will have the impact of science on our society. Technology is nothing but the application of scientific knowledge. Science and technology have had a major impact on our society, and its impact is growing by making our life easier. The essence of science and technology contributes to society is the contribution of new knowledge, then utilization of that knowledge to boost the prosperity of human lives. Now look at the example of modern technology. It has not only improved our way of lighting homes, it has also increased the use of common usage devices, appliances like microwaves, washing machine, refrigerators, air conditioners, juicer, mixers, iron, and many more things. They all becomes the necessity of life. It means that electricity can be used in many other ways in our home. It is providing us ease to live and providing us comfortable lifestyle. We cannot live without these comforts, or we cannot imagine our life without these necessities. Impact of science and technology on education. As we all know that computer has made a very tremendous impact on the progress and growth of the country. It is widely used in schools and educational institutions. And nowadays, by the introduction of online classes, it is not only facilitating students, it also helps teachers to adopt innovative and creative ways of teaching. It is another most important impact of science and technology on education that it has significantly changed how learning content is delivered. This means learners don't have to stick to the traditional learning and teaching process. Teachers can use animation, videos, and other kind of content to enhance the learning process. Technology also changes the brain of a learner with a variety of innovative outputs produced from it. Impact of science in the field of medicine is very remarkable. In medicine and healthcare, digital technology could help transform unsustainable systems into sustainable one. In healthcare and medicine, digital technology enables the early and accurate diagnosis of health problems, like the use of X rays and ultrasound technology as a diagnostic tool helps in cure of many internal organ diseases. Improving quality of life is one of the main benefit of integrating new innovations into medicine. Medical technologies like invasive surgeries, better monitoring system, and more comfortable scanning equipments are allowing patients to spend less time in recovery and more time enjoying a healthy life. It increases also the interaction between the patient and healthcare providers. Other than the use of X-rays and ultrasound, use of CT and MRI scans provide further detailed picture of internal organs and other delicate tissues of the body. Both MRI and CT scan can view internal body structures, can provide clear pictures of tissues, organ and skeletal structures. It helps doctor determine if there are abnormal tissues within the body. They determine surgeries if they are necessary, reducing the need for exploratory surgeries, improving also cancer diagnosis and treatment, reducing the length of hospitalization, and guiding treatment of some common diseases such as injuries, cardiac disease, and stroke. Another use, another use of technology in the form of laser. Use of laser technology has removed the manual method of surgeries in the field of eye. Removal of eye cataracts and even the removal of tissues from the parts of an eye called the cornea. All these surgeries are possible by the use of laser technology. Impact of science and technology on agricultural fields. Modern farming technology is used to improve wide range of production practices employed by the farmers. Use of technology in agricultural field has many advantages. Use of modern machines can reduce efforts of farmers. It can reduce the production time. It also improves the fertility of the soil and also increases the price and demand of the product. For example, the use of automatic raw weeders quickly and effectively tears up weeds without hurting the original crop. The most common type of equipment and machinery used on farms include tractors, balers, plowers, mowers, planters, and sprayers. Modern farmers use a harvester which cuts the crop. A harvester can be combined with other machines that threshes and cleans the grains as well. In modern farming tools, the use of drone technology help farmers to increase production and monitor crop growth. Also assist about climatic changes. Instead of using battery or gas, as others heavy drones do, they are fed water and electricity from the ground. They take less time. One of the main benefit of drone is their ability to scout farm fields both quickly and effectively rather than having growers evaluate field manually on foot or by tractor. This knowledge allows farmer to gain immediate knowledge about the state of their field in shorter period of time. Use of technology in industry. Industrial technology is the use of engineering and manufacturing technology to make production faster, simpler, and more efficient. Technology employed in the manufacturing and synthesizing plants of industries for better profitable productivity. Here we have the example of technology use as the use of laser technology, which is quite common. Due to its unique property, lasers have found application in almost every field of life. Laser technology used for cutting thick metallic plates in industrial operations as well as for welding metallic joints. When we talk about the use of technology in transportation, we have fastest means of transportation. Apart from electric train, electric cars and electric buses are manufactured, and also technology is used to design supersonic aeroplanes which can travel with the speed that exceeds the speed of sound. Now, the use of technology in the field of communication. Use of internet technology other than telephone, radio, television carries many applications and services, including social media, electronic mail, mobile applications, online games, file sharing, and streaming media services. It is the fastest means of communication throughout the world. For this purpose, satellites are used. Communication satellite relay the signal around the curve of Earth, allowing communication between widely separated geographical points. Students, up till now we have seen the use of science and technology and its impact on our society, our daily life. There are some limitations of science as well. Although science has brought enormous economic benefits, but it has nothing to do with someone's religious values, moral values, justice, equality. Science helps us to understand how the world is, but it cannot make any judgment about whether that state of affair is right or wrong, good or bad. Individuals make those decisions and judgments for themselves based on their own criteria of observation. Science describes how the world is, and then we have to decide how to use that knowledge. Natural disasters every year cause great damage and loss of life and property around the world in the form of earthquake, tsunamis and floods. Yes, science can be used to reduce the damage in the form of implementation of technology in building construction which is earthquake proof. It can reduce the loss of human and material and property. But remember one thing, science cannot stop most natural phenomena happenings. Now, students, in this unit, we have seen the impact of technology, technological advancement in every field of life. It is fast evolving. Today, technology pervades almost all aspects of our daily life, from shopping, banking, making travel arrangements, admission in institutes, etc. Technology has evolved, transformed our lives and society. Overall, it has brought tremendous growth and benefit to mankind. And for example, if there are some areas where the science is helpless, we are expecting good because we are quite sure the pace of research is continue. And inshallah, tomorrow will be better than today. Today's lesson review. In today's lesson, we have seen the contribution of Pakistani scientists, impact of science and technology on society, and limitations of science. Students, you have to do this assignment in your science register. Write a short note on Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan and Dr. Abdus Salam. Discuss their achievements in detail. And what are the uses of science and technology in our daily life? Write down in your own words. I hope you understand the lesson, and if you have any query regarding the topic, you can discuss in your WhatsApp group. Thank you. Stay blessed, you all.